Hey guys, so thank you for coming to see this quick little video. I just wanted to share with you guys this little happy mail that I'm going to be sending out to somebody. It's going out hopefully today or tomorrow, and I just want to share with you what I did. Part of the happy mail is a journal cover that I made, and I already wrapped it up, but it's in the same color scheme. And I didn't do much to it. All I did was made the cover and then added some papers so that the person who receives it can make it her own. All she has to do is just thread the papers through the cover so that it could be a journal or a traveler's notebook or whatever you want to call it. To me, they're all the same. So what I made here was I took a little... I made a macaron, and I took a little, what you call this, the little mirrors that you take and you carry in your purse, little compact mirror, and I just made it into the macaron. So I don't want to show myself in the mirror, but there you could see. So it's a cute little macaron mirror. And I just used my fleece, made flowers, added a little piece of tulle just to go along with the theme. And here's just a little embellishment flower, matches the theme. Here I made a little card out of lace, and it has a crochet teacup on it. So super cute. Has the same color paper in the background, has lace, and I left it just open just in case if the person who receives it wants to gift it to someone. Here I included a couple of frames. You could add a picture back there or do whatever she would like. Here goes a larger one in the same color theme. And here I just made my handmade crochet teapot and teacup. And I just added this cute little lace ribbon bow and some cute paper on top. And that's a little note there. And then of course the crocheted basket with the fleece flower, and added some trim beads around it, and little bows on every corner. So simple, sweet. I think it came out super cute. Hopefully the recipient will love it. I'm sending this out either today or tomorrow. So I wonder who is going to get it. I have a couple of happy mails that have to go out, and I've just been so super busy with some personal issues going on with the fam. And I just haven't been able to catch up on what I'm supposed to do. So that's it, guys. Hopefully the person will like what I sent it. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to show it to you guys, the cover, even though I've taped it up and everything. Maybe I could get it undone without, because it's just so super cute, and I want to explain to her how she could thread it anyway, because probably I've never seen her make like a journal book or anything, so I really want her to know. So this is the journal book that I made for her, and I just added the same fleece that I have going around the macaron and same color scheme. So what I did is just printed this, added some trims all around to make it super lovely and shabby, some lace bows and some flowers here. And I just curled the edges on the image, the image is on shimmery paper. And inside is just simple. I didn't sew in the pages in the cover because I don't know if she wants to use Kool-Aid dyed paper or regular sheets of paper. So all she has to do for this is get her center, take a needle. Of course it would have to be like a darning needle or something with a large eye hole, and just poke it through here, leave the loose end on the outside, poke it on the top, and leave the loose end on the outside, of course, and then just tie at the corner. Or she could use elastic, depending on how she feels. So I just left the pages, just gave her some Kool-Aid dyed pages, and I think they came out super cool because each one is kind of different. Some are more wrinkly, some have a little tinge of yellow on them, some have just these drops of stains on it. So I really like the way the pages came out. So she's getting that as well. So hopefully she will like it. She's so super kind and so super sweet, and just wanted to show her some YouTube love and send her a little bit of happy mail. So let me know what you guys think. Please hit that subscribe button and thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.